you know what? I want to teach you how to remove salt from your salty food using salt. Follow me, let's go. Well, we are in the kitchen right now. We are in the kitchen. And most times you might have too much salt in your food. Maybe your stew or your stew or your soup, and you made a mistake and added too much salt, and your husband is telling you, what the hell, what kind of food is this? Well, I want to teach you and show you how to remove salt from your food using salt. Do you think that is possible? I will show you. Now, this is salt and this is a spoon. What I'm going to do is this, and this is a pot of stew. Come over here. This is a pot of stew. Can you see it? Is it clear? Pot of stew. There is a salt. I'm going to take a small little piece, small salt, because it's here. Just small like this. Then put it on the burner. Can you see it? Then leave the salt. Then light. Are you seeing it? Yeah, it's far away because of gas. It doesn't want that's safety too, is very important. Then light it. Okay, you can see. Are you seeing it? Then you now take a pot of stew, which is salty. You want to go to salt. You now put it here and allow it to stay for some time. Then you stir it in a short period of time. Taste it. There will be no salt again. Come and try it. Let's try it. You taste some.
It's good.
The salt has reduced.
Yeah.
Yes. So for all the cooking ladies in the house, try that.